We have heard a lot of stories about investors doubling their wealth or losing their wealth overnight. So yesterday was one such situation where investors doubled their wealth overnight. Guess which company I'm talking about? Yes, you got it right. I'm talking about Happiest Minds. Happiest Minds IPO debuted at 166 rupees and it closed at 371 rupees. That is whopping 121% gain. What do Happiest Minds do? So Happiest Minds are into digital services which majorly include big data analytics, AI and cognitive computing, Internet of Things, cloud computing and its security, blockchain technology and automation. They claim that they are the best in digital service plays and they are known for it. They have the tagline, Born Digital, Born Agile. They believe that collaboration is win-win for everyone, so they have partnered with majority of tech giants like Amazon Web Services, Dell, MongoDB, McAfee, IBM, Microsoft. Happiest Minds generates its revenue mainly from its digital space, so digital space contributes to 97% of its revenue. Among that, EduTech contributes around 21% and BSFI contributes around 18% of its revenue. Happiest Minds are growing at a rate of 20% annually, which is quite high compared to the industry standards of 10%. So why were investors so interested in buying Happiest Minds shares, paying a premium? It's all because of one man and the mastermind behind the Happiest Minds, Ashok Soota. Ashok Soota is IIT Roorkee pass out and he served as president for Wipro from 1984 to 1999. After that, he started or co-founded Mindtree in 1999, which went on to IPO in 2007. In 2007, Mindtree's IPO was oversubscribed by 1 or 3 times and it made a listing gain of 40 to 50%. Later, due to some unknown reasons, Ashok Soota sold his entire stake in Mindtree in 2007 and later he founded Happiest Minds in 2011 with 10 other co-founders. So this IPO was all about Ashok Soota and investors were eagerly waiting to grab these shares. In this case, investors bet on the promoter, that is Ashok Soota, and people know what he brings to the table and how he can turn things around. The best example was Mindtree when he was founded in 2007 and we can see what Mindtree is now. Because of this amazing listing, he also sold his shares, that is 84 lakh shares, which constituted to 140 crores. This was the best debut for any company since 2019. Before, it was IRCTC. Our view mainly on this company is it is a small size company which has a market value of 5,400 crores and it is able to generate a top line growth of 20%, which is comparatively higher than the industry standards, that is 10%. To conclude, Happiest Minds has very good growth prospects and very good management as it is backed by Ashok Soota, and we would definitely love to enter these shares at a favorable valuation. We don't hold any of these shares as of now, but we would love to enter these shares at a reasonable valuation. This video is mainly for educational purpose and before taking any investment decisions, consult your advisors. For more such content, please like, share and subscribe.